Hi everyone, this is Anisha here with an important update, or rather to sort your dilemma about the admit card and the slots. All the students who have already seen your slots, drop in the comment section slot 1, slot 2, slot 3, what have you got? Let's see how many people were able to get your slots. Now, for answering the questions, where did you get your slot? The CAT 2025 admit card was supposed to come on 5th of November, which has been deferred to 12th of November as per the media release, which was published on 5th November. The same document which showed 2.95 lakh registrations for CAT this year, and that has mentioned that 12th November to 30th November you will be able to download your admit card. वो पब्लिश होने के बाद में for somewhere around a day or two, I think students were able to, in the application view PDF, were able to see your slot at the end of it. All you have to do is log into amcat.ac.in, click on application view PDF, scroll down to the end, and you were able to see your slots, but it is not visible now. So all the students who cannot see the slots, do not think कि हमारा CAT का registration cancel हो गया है, because I'm so sure that they will not cancel your registration like this. This slot visible would have been a temporary glitch or thing which was visible for a while, because ऐसे पहले भी available नहीं होता था. This was the first time it was available momentarily, because they mentioned that the admit cards are ready but not being released. ठीक है? So 12th November, you will get your admit card. Things that you have to keep in mind: once your admit card comes, you have to make sure you check your full name, your CAT registration number, date of birth, your passport size photograph on it should be correct, proper, not twisted, turned, proper अच्छी होनी चाहिए, signature clear, visible होना चाहिए, छोटा नहीं होना चाहिए. Your slot timing: you will have 3 slots, if same as last year. Morning 8:30 to 10:30, afternoon 12:30 to 2:30, slot 3 was 4:30 to 6:30. So slot 1, slot 2, slot 3, check your timings. Make sure you see your center, exam center location, and you reach the center well in time. Your target should be to reach the center 2 hours prior. 1.5 hours to 1 hour prior is the window which they give for reaching the center. मतलब reporting time जो आपका है, 1 hour before the exam slot your gates will close and you will not be allowed inside. So please do not be late for your exam. Okay, keep that in mind. All right, some of the important dates which you have to remember now is 12th November you will have your admit card coming out. Same day you will also have the official CAT mock which is being released. But just to let you know, the official mock will be one of the previous year CAT slot papers. That's how it has been in the last 2 years. Unlike the NMAT, SNAP, where you have the official mocks, those have new set of questions for practice. This is just to give you a feel and understanding of the system with respect to, or you can say the UI interface for the exam, give you a practice for sitting for 2 hours, which by now you should be having through all your mock tests. Okay, once you know your slot, make sure you give at least 5 mocks in the same slot. Morning है तो सुबह उठने की आदत लगा लो, 8:30 से 10:30 full fresh, full focus से mock test दो, so that on the day of your exam you are actually performing at your best in that exam slot window. If you are a night owl, so you will have to get used to waking up early, because this is not what you have been used to in the past. All right, for mock tests, if you've not yet subscribed, make sure you check out the Cat King's Real Cat 29 and Real Cat 30 mock, and that is available right now at just ₹9 for each one of you guys. I'll put the link in the description. Take your mock scores and share your mock scores with each section score in the comments. Let us help you guys plan your strategy to increase your section wise as well as the overall scores. If there is anything else that you need help, whether it is strategy for exams, last minute tips for any of these exams, college inputs, updates, so make sure you put it up in the comments and we will take it up for you. And for all the students who've not yet subscribed to the channel, make sure you like the video and subscribe so that you don't miss any update about exams, colleges, any important changes in the admission process, in the exam pattern, and very importantly, your exam analysis and the score percentile cutoffs. So stay tuned to the channel for all the further updates and make sure you do not miss any important details. Bye bye, take care.
Hi, I'm Sejal Sharma.
सौरदीप चौधरी, मेरा कैट परसेंटाइल 99.20 था.
Watching your videos and I kept watching them, and the motivation and your energy was just too high that it gave me the motivation that I can do it.
I'm very grateful to you because आपके मैं सारे लेक्चर्स बैठा हूँ.
कैट किंग का जो इंटरफेस है वो बहुत ही अच्छा है, एकदम कैट की तरफ.
क्या बात है?
Whenever I used to feel लो आपका मोटिवेशन देख लेती थी.
पापा मेरे से बड़े फैन है. क्यों भाई? क्योंकि जब मैं स्पीकर पे पढ़ता था या आपके वीडियो देखता था तो बोलते हैं यार ये बंदा ना पढ़ाते हो सब ये मोटिवेट करता है तुम्हें, वो हवा भरती रहनी चाहिए हमेशा गाड़ी में.
Thank you so much, sir. And I would again like to thank all of you as the Cat King family. It's been a great experience.
Hit the bell icon.